guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I hope as always you guys are having the most wonderful day. Guys, just you'll probably hear my dog puttering around in the background. Hopefully she doesn't bark, but she is a bit of a barker, and she's a little Bichon Frise, and she is very protective, so she may have a little bark in the background. If she does, please ignore her. She's just excited. But today, guys, I want to bring you another pop culture surprise mystery bag. I purchased these bags at the works. They are £10 a bag, and as you can tell, it says on the bag that you get the contents is at least 3 items, and those 3 items are a value of over £50 or €60 worth of pop culture collectibles. If you spend more than £30 at the works, you get free delivery. So I bought 3 of these bags, and I will be doing all 3 videos and putting them up just as soon as I can. And this is one of them. So guys, let's get started. I always like to turn them to the side. These bags are all sealed. You just rip them open, and we're just going to pull them out as they come. So the first item, oh wow, the first item is really cute. This is a Bandai Chibi Masters Tijen. I cannot say this name, but he is a character from Demon Slayer, and he is adorable. She. I don't know. This little character is super adorable. And the collection comes as a set of 3. But so adorable. This would have been my favorite. This Mitsuga character would have been perfect. But I love this little character. It's super cute. It is a little mini. It is made by Bandai. Bandai is fully official and licensed. Totally cute. Look how cute. Look at this adorable little guy. I'm really happy with this as my first item. Demon Slayer. I have watched Demon Slayer. I'm not a super fan. I'm definitely not. I know some of the characters, but I'm super excited with this. This is my first item. I probably would put a price on this little item at around £6 or £7, but on the sales outside Japan only. I was just checking out what this said. So this is only sold outside of Japan. It's pretty neat, pretty cool. I would say £6 on this little item. So that's perfect as my first item. I'm going to dip my hand in and grab my next item, which I think is a book. I always get a book in these bags. I've bought quite the number of these bags, and I always get a book. This one, my least favorite items to ever receive are Doctor Who. My second least favorite, are Star Trek. Doctor Who, definitely not a fan. I know a lot of you guys are, so this would be great for maybe you, but just not for me. And this is a Doctor Who Heart of Stone book, written by Trevor Baxendale, and it says a single touch could turn you to stone forever. This is obviously in a series. There are more books at the back written by different people, and this is the little synopsis. If you want to read, pause now, and then we'll move on. Okay, so this little book actually has a price. It's a US price of $9.99. It's Puffin Books. Puffin Books were great. We read Puffin Books quite a lot when we were at school. So this is probably worth, I don't know, £6 or £7. I'm going to say £6 and just keep it pretty standard. I do like the quite large text. It's super easy to read. There aren't any graphics that I can see, but not a bad little book. Love the little puffin symbol. The penguin symbol. I love those. But yes, not a bad book. If you're a Doctor Who fan, I am certainly not, but I am going to price that around £6. If I was going to resell, I'd probably sell that at a couple of pound. None of these things will be resold. All of these things will be given to, I have a niece who loves Demon Slayer, so this will go to her. The Doctor Who book will go into the charity, and any other items I get, I kind of guess I'll tell you, depending upon what collection they're for, whether I'm going to keep them, whether I'm going to donate them, or whether I'm going to give them to friends and family. So I would say, maybe as a value, off the shelf value, this is probably worth around 6 and 6. Resell, I probably would still try to resell this at 6 and resell this for maybe £2, but none of these things are going to go for resale. I think I got a pop. I think I always get a pop in these bags. Oh, this is an adorable pop. It is too stinking cute. This is Willow. It is the pop, the Willow Pop 1315 or 1315. It is Willow Fogood, and it is a bobblehead. Can you see the bobble at the top? I do love a good bobblehead. This is a bobblehead. Guys, this is weighty. The box is in tip-top condition. Cannot believe it. I've never watched Willow. I have always wanted to. So I don't know who this little character is he's holding. So please, please, please in the comments below, please tell me. I am going to watch the movie, but I know who Willow is. I just haven't actually watched the program. But this is what the character looks like when it's on display, and it is so cute. I'm loving the gold. So nice. And this is who you can get in the actual series. Because I don't know them, I'm going to try and pronounce them, but I don't know if I can. So we have 1312, which is General Keel, I think, which I really like. We have Mad Martigan, and we have Soar. Okay, so I'm going to say this probably the Irish one. You guys will probably not understand or shout out, that's not right, but it's Sorsha. Sorsha is a very Irish name. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I would say Sorsha. And then we have Willow, which is so amazing. And the numbers are 1312, 1313, 1314, and 1315, which is the one we got. This pop is definitely worth £10. Absolutely. Resale value, if I was to resale, probably around £8. But for the purpose of this video, I think this is so cute. Definitely going to say 10. And we have busted our price mark. And the price mark that we paid for the bag in total, we're now, I would say, on £22. You guys might say that that's been a little, overcautious, stingy even. I think that it's just pricing it with what I would maybe pay for these things. I think I've overvalued this one. I probably wouldn't buy it, but if I did want to buy it as a gift, I'd be looking around £2-3 for that. But we're going to settle with, we have one item left. We are going to settle with £22 so far. And then, okay, I got this. I got one of these bag clips in another one of these bags. So I think this must be a running theme through a few of the bags. And I've noticed that you definitely, with the little blind bags, because you always get a blind bag, just like you always nearly get a book. I've noticed that you get something similar. So I have had one of these in one of the other bags that I purchased. I probably will have one in the next one. But these little board of directors are bag clips. Again, I'm not going to open this because I am going to donate this to the charity. But this is, you can collect 5. There are 5 to collect. And these are the options on the back. You guys will probably be disappointed that I'm not opening this. But if I open it, then I can't donate it as a brand new item. And I don't want to do that because I buy a lot of mystery boxes. And throughout the year, I will take out the things that I'm collecting. So anything that's like good for my collections, I will take and keep. Anything else I tend to give away to friends and family, like this little Chubby Masters. And these things will all go into a box that I keep, and I add to it every single week, almost every single day, almost, that I collect right up until Christmas, so that I can put packs together to give to the local charity and the homeless shelter, just so that some child is not waking up on Christmas morning without something. So I know you'll probably be so upset that I'm not going to open this, but I genuinely am not, because I want them to have the excitement of opening these little bag clips. But they're really, really fun. These bag clips are something like £6. That to me is an overestimation. I would probably put it at around 3. And I'm going to say in total for everything that we've got about £25. Now that's half of what they advertise on the bag. And I get, depending upon where you buy these things, that the value might be £50. It may be. It just isn't for me. I don't believe that it's £50. But I still believe we smashed. We over doubled. We doubled more than what we paid for the bag in these items, even if we resale. They've still got a higher resale value than what I paid for the bag. So in total, I'm pretty happy. I think we got a really good deal, and I love what we got. And it wasn't garbage. It wasn't rubbish. This is good stuff. Maybe not for my collection, and that's fine, but somebody will love it. So I'm pretty happy with what I got today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Really always interested in your feedback. But guys, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Every time you guys do that, it really supports me. I'm trying to grow my channel, which is small. I'm trying to grow it. If you guys can help me out by liking the video, sharing it with family and friends, and subscribing, that would be amazing. Guys, please take care, stay safe, and I will catch you next time. Thanks. Bye.